90,000 subscribers. That's insane. Let's talk about that.
TipTut.
Hello everybody and welcome back to TipTut. Thank you so much. I had no idea we'd ever get this big with the channel. To celebrate, I've released a new slight rebranding. I suppose you'd call it a refreshing of the channel's branding and intro and outro. You just saw it now. Hopefully it brings a little bit more energy, and it also tells new people a little bit about what this channel is about, which is not only teaching you how to do things, but teaching you the reasons why you do those things as well. So in other words, learn the why, not just the how. To help celebrate when we reaching 90,000. I was going to say to help celebrate when we reach 100,000, but that's my next point. I'll be starting to drip feed a little bit of merchandise into the channel to test out a few things. There'll be stickers and posters and t-shirts and things like that. I'm just at the moment trying to wrestle with how much to price them at so that I can make a bit of profit off of it without it being ridiculously priced, because it seems to be quite high. But that is for the future. I just wanted to say thank you so much for everyone that has subscribed and is watching. You really do make this channel live. You are the reason that this can be even a part-time job for me. Phoebe's very excited as well. She's meowing in the background. And I just wanted to say thank you. It is incredible. I never thought we'd reach this far. Bit of a update on where the channel will be going then. I'm doing my master's degree. I'm going to finish that in around September, which beginning of October, I'm getting married, and then I'm going away on my honeymoon for 2 weeks. And apparently, according to Social Blade, during that 2-week period, we should reach 100,000 subscribers, which is absolutely insane. I'm going to have to think of something to do, maybe a competition or something to celebrate that really massive moment. There'll continue to be more tutorials on the channel. They'll continue with all of the shows, tip talks, tip walks, tip trials. Some of those only have 1 or 2 episodes out because I have to wait for the sort of content to arise. Some of them have a few more. Some of them have been neglected and will be making comebacks. Some of them you guys don't really watch, but I enjoy making them, and the people that do watch them tend to have a high engagement rate. So I'm going to continue to make all the kinds of unique content that hopefully you guys are enjoying. There'll also be a little bit of a change around and upgrade as well with the videos. You'll be seeing my face a lot more for a few reasons, really. 1, YouTube seems to like that sort of thing nowadays. 2, I'm trying to build up my confidence of being on camera. I get very self-conscious when you can see my face for obvious reasons. And I'm sort of trying to get across that barrier a bit to bring you guys on a little bit more personal level with the videos, because sometimes it can feel a bit disconnected if you can't see who I am, you know, and what I look like and who I'm talking to. So hopefully that'll bring us a little bit closer together as well. In the meantime, though, that's all for now. I just really wanted to say thank you so much. What an incredible journey it's been. Let's try and keep this train rolling, keep being creative, and I'll see you all next time on a normal episode of TipTut.
Subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.